Realtors, are tariffs quietly shaping your business? If you're not paying attention to how tariffs are impacting home prices, inventory, and your clients' buying power, you could be leaving deals on the table. Hey, I'm Mike Jashin, founder of the Transformational Realtor, where I help real estate agents elevate their business and dominate their markets. If you're serious about growing your career and staying ahead of industry shifts, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because this channel is built for high-level agents like you. Now let's talk about tariffs, one of the biggest invisible forces shaping our industry. A tariff is essentially a tax on imported goods, and in real estate, that means higher costs for lumber, steel, appliances, and even labor. So how do tariffs affect you as a real estate agent? Well, new home construction slows down, fewer homes on the market, increased demand, bidding wars start. Another way, renovation costs skyrocket. Sellers may hesitate to list if they can't afford any of these upgrades. And then there's interest and inflation. Buyers might pause their search because their budgets due to rising costs. If you're not positioning yourself as the expert on the market of these shifts, you're missing a huge opportunity. Top producing agents don't just react to changes, they educate their clients and they take advantage. In the Transformational Realtor, my program, it's about ambitious real estate agents like you. I teach you how to become the trusted advisor in your market, not just a salesperson. The more you know, the more valuable you become. And if you want to learn how these market changes and how it applies to you, hit that subscribe button. I'm putting out new content all the time. And drop a comment below if you notice how tariffs are increasing your local market. And if you're ready to take your business to the next level, check out the Transformational Realtor, because knowledge is power, and power that creates success. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.